not again. Oh man, Malted Montreal's live streams. Oof. No more Bookers. Yeah, maybe a little Bookers. Bookers. Hello everybody and welcome to the Whiskey Dictionary. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an Irish coffee. And I'm not just talking about driving out to Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks, dropping a little Irish whiskey in your coffee and pretending that you're not an alcoholic. This is a legitimate reason to drink in the morning. So, first thing that you need to do is boil some water, pour it into your mug. If you have just a regular mug, not a big deal, just won't look as nice, but you probably don't need to warm it up. Either way, doesn't hurt. So, we're going to let this sit for a sec, warm up the glass, and then we're going to dump it out and get going with our coffee. So the first thing that you want to do is take 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. You can use dark or light. I prefer light. The normal recipes will tell you dark, so use whatever you have in the house. Next thing we're going to do is take our coffee. Now you do want some fairly strong coffee, and in general I do like my coffee black. So today I'm actually going to be using milk instead of cream. Now the actual recipe does call for cream because it floats a little bit better. That being said, I'm going to kind of aerate this a lot so hopefully it floats on top. But either way, doesn't really matter, you're going to drink this thing anyway. Next step after you pour in your coffee is stir it a little bit because you want to make sure all that brown sugar gets melted. So after that, you're going to take your Irish whiskey. And today I'm going to be using Flaming Leprechaun Irish Whiskey. I have several that I'm doing this month. As you know, this is Irish Whiskey Month on my channel. And I just kind of like this one over a lot of the other selections I have. So get about a shot, pour it in. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to leave a little bit in there later to have later. So then you're going to take one of these guys. Now, if you like fancy coffee, you probably have one of these, but basically you're just aerating your milk. If you're using cream, maybe go a little heavier on the cream, like heavy whipping cream, and really, really whip it. Because, not to the point of actual whipped cream, but you want a lot of air in here so that hopefully it floats on top. All right, so that's pretty good. Now, because I'm using milk, I fully expect that this is going to make a mess on my table, that this is going to float. So let's use the back of our spoon here and try to only get the foam in there. Because if we get just the foam, it should float on top. There we go. Awesome. And that's your Irish coffee. So go ahead and enjoy it. Enjoy it with your St. Patrick's Day. And it's a little bit of hair of the dog. So I hope it helps you in the future. Cheers. Oh man, that's good.